The name of the play, The Proposal. The setting is Chubukov's country house, a drawing room in Chubukov's house. Drawing room. Drawing room means room in a private room in which guests can be received. Lomov enters wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Chubukov rises to meet him. Just after the entrance of Lomov into the drawing room of Chubukov, Chubukov rises to his feet in order to greet him. Dress jacket. Dress jacket is a short coat usually worn on a formal occasion. Chubukov. My dear fellow, whom do I see? Ivan Vasilevich, I am extremely glad. Squeezes his hand. Now this is a surprise, my darling. How are you? Here, Chubukov becomes surprised to see Lomov in his drawing room at the very moment. He presses his hands with his fingers as a mark of welcome. As a mark of welcome or as a mark of greeting Lomov. Lomov thanked Chubukov. Thank you. And how may you be getting on? And asked him how they were getting on, how they were doing in the particular situation. Chubukov, we just get along somehow. My angel, to your prayers and so on. Sit down. Chubukov replies in simple way that they were keeping quite well, and then she requests him to sit down. Now, you know, you shouldn't forget all about your neighbors, my darling. My dear fellow, why are you so formal in your get-up? And then Chubukov wanted to know from Lomov why he was so formal in his get-up. Get-up means style of dress. Why he was wearing such type of dress, like evening dress, gloves, and so on. And then Chubukov asked him if he was going anywhere. Can you be going anywhere, my treasure? Here, addressing Lomov as his treasure, he asked him if he could be going anywhere. Lomov denies. I have come only to see you, honored Stefan Stepanovich, used as a mark of respect. Honored is the word which is used as a mark of respect. Here Lomov said that he had only come to their house. Chubukov then said, then why are you in evening dress, my precious, as if you were paying a New Year's Eve visit? Here Chubukov becomes surprised, as he had only come to their house. He did not have any knowledge why Lomov had worn such type of evening dress, gloves, etc. Then he asked in surprise if he was going somewhere. Then why are you in evening dress, my precious, as if you are paying a New Year's Eve visit? Eve is the word which means the day of time or the period of time before an event, just before an event. Here 31st December is referred to here as the New Year's Eve. 31st December. Here Chubukov assumes if he was going to attend the New Year's Eve. Lomov then, well, you see, it's like this. Takes his arm, I have come to you, honored Stefan Stepanovich, to trouble you with a request. Not once or twice have I already had the privilege of applying to you for help, and you have always, so to speak, I must ask your pardon. I am getting excited. I shall drink some water. Honored Stefan Stepanovich. Then Lomov drinks some water. Here, taking his arms, Lomov becomes excited, and he was in a confusion. He was in a confusion in the sense how he would start that he had come to Chubukov's house in order to give a marriage proposal to Natalia. Here, so he hesitates how he would disclose his heart to Chubukov. He becomes excited and drinks some water. Chubukov, aside. He has come to borrow money, shan't give him any. Then Chubukov said that Lomov had come to their house in order to borrow some money from him, and he would not give him any money. Then loudly said, "What is it, my beauty?" Then Chubukov wanted to know the reason of his coming in his house. Lomov then, "You see, Honor Stepanich, I beg pardon, Stepan Onarich, Honor Stepanich, Stepan Onarich." These are the words which are uttered by Lomov in much excitement. Honor Stepanovich, I beg pardon. Pardon means act of forgiving. Stepan Onarich, I am awfully excited. Awfully means very much excited. I am awfully excited. As you will please notice, in short, you alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and have not any right to count on your assistance. Here, Lomov said that he had come to their house for many times in order to get some help. And here, in this respect, he had come to their house also with a request. Here, the request is to ask his daughter in marriage. In short, you alone can help me, and in this respect, here Chubukov only can help him. He said this. Chubukov, oh, don't go round and round it. Here Lomov hesitates again and again, but he does not express his heart, how he will expose his heart's desire in order to give the proposal to Chubukov. Chubukov then tells him not to make it complicated. Don't go round and round it, darling. Spit it out. Well, spit it out means say it clearly. Then Chubukov said that it should be made clear why he had come to their house. Spit it out. Spit it out means say it quickly and clearly. Well, one moment, this very minute. The fact is, I have come to ask the hand of your daughter, Natalia Stepanovna, in marriage. Here Lomov then disclosed or expressed his heart's desire to Chubukov, telling him that he had come to ask the hand of his daughter, Natalia Stepanovna, in marriage. On hearing such type of proposal from such a young man like Lomov, Chubukov becomes so much excited and joyous or cheerful. By Jove, Ivan Vasilevich, say it again. I didn't hear it all. Chubukov then became so much excited with joy, and so he told Lomov to repeat the proposal again for the second time. Lomov then started repeating the proposal. I have the honor to ask, but Chubukov then interrupted him. My dear fellow, I am so glad, and so on. Interrupted means stopped by saying or doing something. My dear fellow, I am so glad, and so on. Yes, indeed. And all that sort of thing embraces and kisses Lomov. And so on. Yes, indeed. And all that sort of thing embraces and kisses Lomov. Then Chubukov hugged him, kissed him. I have been hoping for it for a long time. Here Chubukov told him that he had been hoping for such type of proposal for a long time. It has been my continual desire, says Eteyar. And I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son. May God give you both his help, his love, and so on. I did so much hope. Here, Chubukov did not control himself. He behaved in an unnatural way. He embraced Lomov, kissed Lomov, and blessed him also. What am I behaving in this idiotic way for? I am off my balance. Here it is as if Chubukov has lost his balance. He was behaving in the idiotic way. With joy, absolutely off my balance. Chubukov here acted rather strangely with Lomov because he was so much excited with joy. Oh, with all my soul, I will go and call Natasha. And all that, Natasha, Natalia Stepanovna, his daughter. Then Chubukov was about to go to call Natasha and all that. Greatly moved. Lomov was greatly moved. Honored Stefan Stepanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? Consent means approval or permission. Greatly moved. Lomov was greatly moved. Honored Stefan Stepanovich. Honored, I have already told you that honored is the word which was used in order to show the mark of respect or to show respect to Chubukov. Honored Stefan Stepanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? Count on means rely. Here Lomov did not understand if he would have to rely on her consent. On her consent. Consent means on her permission. Arthat Natalia's permission. Why, of course, my darling, and as if she won't consent. Here Chubukov assures him, addressing him as his darling, that she must consent. She is in love, Igat. By God, Igat means by God. She is like a lovesick cat and soul, sand belong. Here Chubukov tells him that as his daughter is like a lovesick cat, she is alone, she is lonely, she is searching such type of young man in order to take a suitable companion, and so on. Sand belong. Then Chubukov exit. It's cold. I am trembling all over, just as if I had got an examination before me. I am trembling all over, just as if I had got an examination before me. Here Lomov was alone in the stage, and then he was trembling all over. He was very much excited, and at that very moment he was trembling or shaking. Controllably, uncontrollably, due to anxiety, excitement, and weakness. Lomov was shaking, trembling all over due to anxiety, excitement, or weakness. Just as if he had got an examination before him. Lomov then said, the great thing is, I must have my mind made up. I must have made up my mind. Here Lomov was alone and he was thinking of himself and of Natalia. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or for a real love, then I will never get married. Here he thinks of himself, of his marriage. Here he said that if he gave himself much time to think over the marriage, to hesitate, to talk a lot about the marriage, to look for an ideal or real love, then it is sure he would never get married. Read. It's cold. Natalia Stepanovna is excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated. What more do I want? Here Natalia Stepanovna is an excellent housekeeper. Housekeeper means person employed to manage a household. Not bad looking also. Natalia was also well educated. What more do I want? These are the qualities which belong to Natalia Stepanovna. Natalia Stepanovna possessed so many qualities because he was an excellent housekeeper, he was good looking, he was also well educated. Here he wanted such type of lady like Natalia Stepanovna for his companion. But I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement. A noise means a din. I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement. Here not. Lobov was so much excited on or at the time of thinking of himself and at the time of thinking of Natalia also. It's impossible for me not to marry. In the first place, I am already 35, a critical age. Lobov has already reached a critical age of 35, so to speak. Here he thinks that it was not possible for him not to marry such a girl like Natalia because he has already reached a critical age of 35 already. In the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. This is the second reason. Lobov ought to lead. Lobov should lead a quiet and regular life in the society. Besides this, I suffer palpitations. Palpitations means rapid, strong or irregular beating of heart. Rapid pulsations of heart. I suffer from palpitations. I am excitable also and always getting awfully upset. Upset means very much distressed that I cannot act properly and logically. At this very moment, my lips are trembling. There's a twitch in my right eyebrow. Twitch. Sudden short jerking movement. There's a twitch in my right eyebrow. But the very worst of all is the way I sleep. Here, at the time of thinking of his physical condition, Lobov here cannot deny the way he sleeps. I no sooner get into bed and begin to cough when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull. And at that very moment, as soon as he goes to sleep or as soon as he becomes ready to sleep, suddenly something in his left side gives a pull. For the first time, he feels a pull on his left side and I can feel it in my shoulder and head. Then he feels such type of pull in his shoulder and in his head. And then I jump up like a lunatic. Lunatic means insane person, mad person. Walk about a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I begin to get off to sleep, there's another pull. And here in this way, he becomes so much disturbed at the time of his sleeping. So, this is also his most bad effect for his physical condition. He has been suffering or he suffers from insomnia. But as soon as I begin to get off to sleep, there's another pull. He feels another pull also, and this may happen 20 times. 20 times here refers to many times, so many times. Here he considers his physical condition in this way. Then Natalia Stepanovna comes in, enters. Natalia Stepanovna, well, it's you. It's you. And Papa said, go, there's a merchant come for his goods. Here, on entering or after entering into the drawing room, Natalia Stepanovna becomes so much surprised on seeing Lobov at that very moment, because her father informed her that a merchant had come to their house for his goods. It's you, Papa said, go, there's a merchant, come for his goods. Here a merchant here refers to Lobov. and his goods refers to Natalia. Go, there's a merchant come for his goods. Here, Chubukov remarks such type of humorous comment in this way. Natalia Stepanovna, about Natalia Stepanovna. Here, Chubukov describes his daughter as his goods, describes Lomov as a merchant humorously. But the way Chubukov terms his daughter as his goods shows how she is liability to him, and he is ready to sell Natalia Stepanovna as a commodity. How do you do, Ivan Vasilevich? Then Natalia wanted to know from Lomov how he was. Lomov then, how do you do, honored Natalia Stepanovna? Natalia Stepanovna, you must excuse my apron and negligee. Apron means a garment worn outside in order to protect from dirt or dust. Negligee is a loose gown. We are selling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Here Natalia Stepanovna wanted to know from Lomov why he had not come to their house for such a long time. Then she told him to sit down. They sit themselves. Want to have some lunch? Here Natalia Stepanovna wanted to know if he would not take some lunch. Lomov then denies and expressed his thanks to Natalia. Thank you. I have had some already. Here Lomov told that he had already finished his lunch. Natalia Stepanovna. Then smoke. There are the matches. The weather is splendid now. But yesterday it was so wet that the workmen didn't do anything all day. How much hay have you stacked? Stacked means piled or heaped. The weather is splendid now, but yesterday it was so wet that the workmen did not do anything all day. Here, due to the inclement weather, the workmen of Natalia did not do anything in the field work. And here she wanted to know from Lomov how much hay, hay means dried grass, how much dried grass he had piled or heaped. Just think, and had a whole field cut. That is, she had cut a whole field. And now I am not at all pleased about it because I am afraid my hay may rot. Here Natalia Stepanovna was so much anxious or worried about his crop because it might rot. I ought to have waited a bit. But what's this? Why you are in evening dress? Why are you in evening dress? Here Natalia then wanted to know from him why he was wearing such type of evening dress. Well, I never. Are you going to a ball? Here Natalia Stepanovna wanted to know from Lomov whether he was going to attend a formal party for dance. Though I must say you look better. Tell me, why are you got up like that? Here Natalia Stepanovna complimented or appreciated his dress and praised his dress. That he looked better wearing such type of dress. And she urged him to tell her why he was got up like that. Lomov then became excited. You see, honored Natalia Stepanovna, the fact is, I have made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. Of course, you will be surprised and perhaps even angry. But aside, it's awfully cold. It's very much cold. It's very much cold. It's awfully cold. Lomov became so much excited on meeting Natalia in this situation. The fact is that he had made up his mind to ask her to hear him out. And on hearing such type of words from Lomov, Natalia might be surprised or perhaps even angry. But aside means it is the actor's remark to the audience rather than other characters in the stage. It's awfully cold. What's the matter? What's the matter? Natalia Stepanovna then wanted to know from Lomov for what reason he was wearing such type of evening dress, or why he had come to their house at that time. Lomov then, I shall try to be brief.